Hi, this is Andre Kemling from Neuroradiology in Marburg. Today we have a case of an ACOM aneurysm, which we would like to treat with an intrasaccular device. The more complex issue about this aneurysm is that there are, besides left and right A2 branches arising from the aneurysm, there's another third accessory left A2 branch arising from the neck. So it's important that there's safe coverage of the neck. And in this translucent image, you see this left accessory A2 with wide neck. And the aneurysm itself is about 6.5 by 6.5 millimeters in size. And we would like to treat this with an so-called Artisse device, Artisse 2.0, made by Medtronic, which we have recently been using quite a bit, and see how it goes. So how do we find the correct Artisse size to our aneurysm? There's this official Medtronic sizing chart which gives you for every maximum average aneurysm width a recommended Artisse size with a resulting height as it is compressed in the aneurysm, but not all height and width combinations can be displayed in this table, so some aneurysm dimensions are left out. And you can use this compressed height explorer, which allows you to dynamically adjust the original values of the Medtronic chart depending on your compression level. So if you take the 8 by 5 millimeter Artisse, as you can see here, and you slide the slider, you see with changing compression how the height will change. You can do this for any size and fine-tune your Artisse dimensions to the dimensions of your aneurysm. And when we put in the values of this aneurysm, 6.69 in width and 6.55 in height, dome to neck, you will get a recommended size, research only, of 8 by 5 millimeter Artisse, which means you have a 16% width compression and a 1.2 millimeter protrusion into the neck. You could choose smaller Artisse devices, but as you can see, they're probably too short. And as you see, the neck will not be covered correctly. So the 8 by 5 millimeter Artisse with the 1.2 protrusion into the neck will probably be an appropriate device. And you can see here the probing of the aneurysm using a headway 21. An Artisse 8 by 5 millimeters is placed, which you can see opening here. So now we see here this pre-detachment control run and see that the Artisse fills the entire aneurysm. Of course, it's important to evaluate the neck situation if all branches are patent and not compromised by the device. Here you can see after detachment that this accessory 8.2 branch on the left is not compromised. And what is also interesting, when you then measure the height of the Artisse, it is about 7.3 millimeters, which is quite that what we calculated with the size explorer. So thank you for watching our video. Please view the last slides for summary and please stay tuned for follow-up. We'd like to see in 3 months if this aneurysm has disappeared. I will keep you posted. Thank you.